What is this?
One is straight, yeah.
This side, ma'am.
Center.
Ma'am, this side.
Maria.
Ma'am, this side.
तो पूरा पुश कर रहे हो।
मैंने नहीं किया, पीछे से किया। वो देखो पीछे से हो रहा है।
कौन पीछे थे? कोई पीछे ही नहीं।
वानी
कौन पीछे थे? मेरे तो सारे आगे आ जाना फिर से।
अरे मेरे को जाने दो ना।
One, yeah. Center. One का पीछे.
Ma'am, this side. Thank you.
His dreams into the world championship. Ladies and gentlemen, a man who believes in his dreams, a man who believes in taking risks. I believe you know this quote fits so well on you. Only those who risk going too far can possibly know how far they can go. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Bobby Khan. By a show of hands, how many of you believe that behind every successful man is a wife who supports and is very passionate about her husband's dreams?
Photo.
Yes? Neither those are putting their hands up. Oh, what is this? Guys? Okay, we know what's happening at home. Okay.
भाई नीचे।
Alright. So ladies and
नीचे
gentlemen,
भाई।
I'm speaking about Yasmin Khan.
जली नहीं क्या?
Give her a round
ही
of
आएगा।
applause. She is the co-owner of this team. And she has gained fondness for bikes and racing over the last 7 years. And she's been working with Mr. Khan to create this perfect team. And this is what she says. We aim to bring an inspiration for all and provide a great platform for recognition to the Indian bikers all over. Welcome, Yasmin.
ऑफिस से पूछना पड़ेगा।
Pleasure to have you.
जो
Thank you.
इसके लिए नहीं, ऑडियो के लिए मैंने करूँगा।
तेरे लिए प्लीज थोड़ा सा कंपनी के
मेरे
लिए
लिए
तेरे लिए
And now I'd like to introduce on stage Gary Renders, our chief manager. Gary, welcome.
अरे कार्ड डालने बोलूँगा तो बोलूँगा।
So Gary is the go-to man for us. His wealth of knowledge for
तेरी बोली क्या है?
25 years
तेरी बोली क्या है?
in racing comes from starting at factory suspension technician to mechanic to crew chief in later years. He has worked with world-class riders such as World Championship debut in the French GP with a wild card. The 28-year-old made his way through the ranks riding in the Moto2 World Championship and in 2010 spending 2 full seasons. Our next racer, Thomas Gradinger, after a strong, yes there he is, after a strong World SSP appearance in August,
ये ना लाइट का प्रॉब्लम है।
Hello.
हाँ सुपर।
Firstly, thank you all for coming here.
ये लगा लाइट से।
All of your support really matters to us. For the team, initially, you know, जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं, living in Bombay, हम लोग सब देखते हैं चीजें बड़ी-बड़ी बाइक घूमती है. You see on TV that people are racing. You know, even me as a kid, it started off the same way. It was a dream. One day become a racer, probably someday, you know, take our country somewhere where people have not been. So basically that was the inspiration when I moved to Dubai, and जब उन्होंने देखे कि यहाँ वहाँ opportunities है, so that's the time. That was my inspiration.
Okay. Next question is, what does NRT stands for?
Sir, NRT, the full form of NRT is Nerds Racing Team. But that's the team actually what we use in the local championships, what we compete in Dubai, in Bahrain. So NRT is basically, it's a sister company of the Nerds Racing Team.
To both the racers here.
कैसे सुनेगा? तू लिया एक्सप्रेस वाला क्या ना? निकालो।
do we have a mic behind?
मेरी ला है।
Can you please raise your hands if you're asking a question? हाथ ऊपर.
हाथ ऊपर।
Yasmin, how do you feel being a woman and being an owner of the team? How responsibility is affecting you? Are you taking the responsibility as such?
I'm sorry.
पराग खाली।
How does it feel to become the owner of the team as such?
Push.
First of all, again, thank you all for coming. And I feel like I'm blessed, I'm proud that I got the opportunity to be a part of something so great. and I feel like this is a male-dominated profession, and being a woman, if I can be a part of it, and if I can help my husband and my team to get, great winning in each and every race, then I feel it's a very proud moment for me. And being a woman, as you said, if I think I can encourage more women to come forward and do something which you believe in, no matter if it is something that people will feel like it's not meant for women, and it's just riding is for bikes. They are the best for it. So I think कि all the ladies out there, हम सबको भी हर वो चीज़ करनी चाहिए जो हमको लगता है कि हम कर सकते हैं. And if we believe in ourselves, then I think everyone starts believing in you.
Thank you. One question here.
Yes.
How do you see the team performance this season?
I'll be honest, we have the best team. I mean, my husband, Buffy Khan, and me, and especially with the help of Mr. Gary, we have managed to get the best people for our team. And we are happy that we have both our riders, and we look forward for the best. I think this year, the championship can be for NRT. So yeah, we hope for the best. Fingers crossed. I hope you all pray for us that we win. Thank you so much.
My question is to Thomas. Thomas, how does it feel to be in India, and what does it feel like?
First of all, really nice that so many people came here. It's really an interesting country, and I'm excited that I get an invitation to come here. So thank you. I'm happy to be here and explore a little bit the country and also the people here.
My question is to Julius. Is there any special strategy for the race, forthcoming race as well? Any special strategy for your race?
Hello everybody, thanks also for the invitation. We are happy to be here, as Thomas said. For Flip Island, for sure, I'm looking forward to this race because we'll be the first of the season. The new challenge with NRT, Indian team, and for sure I'm looking for the best. The best for me will be to win the race. I won few times there, so the strategy is to be ready. We have some tests before. For me, it will be the first time with the new bike, the Yamaha, and for sure I'm looking forward to test the bike and to win the race if possible. I will be so proud, and I think, as Yasmin said, they will be proud of that. So I want to make them happy to have me on board.
Next question is for Gary, the manager of the team. How much work was needed to prepare the team for this season?
A lot. We've been working day and night from Indian side, or let's say Dubai side, European side. We've been working hard to prepare everything, to make deals with sponsorships, from technical to other ones. It's been very hard to do it, but yesterday I was still in Germany, and we finished everything off. Everything is packed up, what will be picked up today, and goes in the flight to Australia. But I can tell you, it's not a job that you have to do every day.
मैं किस तरह मोटिवेट करूँगी इसी मेरे लिए to be part of this and to be able to support in whatever little way I can बहुत बड़ी बात है. In fact मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा honor है कि उन लोगों ने मुझे यहाँ पे बुलाया है. That's actually it's an inspiring step that they've taken, क्योंकि ये sports यहाँ पर इतना seriously नहीं लिया जाता है in terms of a career. तो बहुत ही एक कहते हैं ना जैसे न्यू अरीना खुलता है लोगों के लिए, तो यहाँ पे टैलेंट बहुत है इंडिया में, पर उसको to pursue it as a career कोई चांस या कोई प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता. So it's a great honor that they've, Wafi and Yasmin, they've come up with this and they're supporting Indians and Indian teams, and they're supporting all those bikers in India who've never ever got an opportunity like this. मेरे सारे favorites, actually, you know what? I have a lot of respect for athletes. Even during my childhood, my mom used to put us in a lot of sports as kids. So we were into skating, we were into badminton, we were into swimming. मुझे लगता है कि इंसान की growth के लिए mental development, emotional development in every way possible, sports is very very crucial. And बहुत ज़रूरी है एक जब बचपन से ही जब आपको वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है कि आप अपने different likings and interests को explore कर सके. And sports actually keeps you very mentally fit, emotionally fit. It makes you stronger all the way around.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyone else would like to ask a question?
Thank you.
Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you.
Behind?
Yes, Janta bhai. Yes.
Thank you.
I knew that was coming. I just knew that was coming.
There's one that's already been shared. If there's anything else, I'm sure there'll be a final announcement regarding that. But I really want to celebrate these two, who are sitting here and are making our country proud. बिल्कुल, स्पोर्ट्स बहुत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है स्कूल्स में. जैसे मैंने बोला, चिल्ड्रंस डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑल.
Silence. पुष्कर.
अभी तक नहीं है ना? I don't think.
अब आप ट्रोल हो जाओगे यहाँ पे सबके साथ.
पुष्कर. ये पुष्कर खाली हो जरा.
अरे स्टिल अरे फोटो.
गांव के स्कूल्स में भी होना चाहिए एजुकेशन.
पुष्कर जी.
Any more questions?
अरे यार.
हाँ.
He's saying that under 19 has just won the World Cup.
हाँ.
What is your take on it?
Like every other Indian, I feel proud, and it's amazing that beyond cricket, there's a lot of other sports that also gets captured and noticed, and people who are making us proud all over the world. It's just inspiring and it's very motivational.
Center, please. 1 second. मैम कार्ड रिसीव
one photo, take this to gentlemen only. Two ladies this side, two gents that side.
Wait. अरे हुआ क्या? वाणी सेंटर लोग अरे अजीत भाई पटकन
फॉलो भी सेंटर लोग
थैंक यू
ये तांबा
अरे रुको
बोले तो थैंक
और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है और बहुत गर्व की बात है कि पहली बार इंडिया वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप में पार्टिसिपेट करेगी. इस स्पोर्ट्स को कभी मौका नहीं मिला लोगों को. यहाँ इंडियंस जो इतने अच्छे बाइकर्स होते हैं उनको कभी प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिला टू एक्सप्लोर दिस अरीना फॉर देमसेल्व्स. सो इट्स अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्m for all Indians, and it's amazing to see how patriotic these two are. I mean, if you see, they've also, where the bikers, they have like tricolor on their uniforms and all as well. So I think it's a great initiative.
Personally, आपको बाइक चलाना कितना पसंद है?
मैं बाइक नहीं चलाती हूँ unfortunately, पर again there are a lot of people who are crazy about bike rides and all, and I think it's amazing.
Sir, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
That's it, just a wish.
Thank you.
Yeah, actually we are just glad and we are thankful for Vani for being here and supporting NRT team. That's all. Thank you all for coming. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. कुछ ना पूछते हैं भाई पानी में.
Thank you guys. Thank you.